Hello, I'm John Walton and welcome to the Runway Girl Network PaxExMinute in association with Aviation Gate. The 2016 Rio de Janeiro Olympic and Paralympic Games are over and airlines across the world celebrated their team's achievements. British cycling double medalist Callum talked to RGN at length about his first-class trip on British Airways' Victorious flight, which returned Team GB to the UK. He flew first class on a specially chartered Boeing 747. Lufthansa's passenger executive Ute Marcotta-Luther explained how the German airline used its extensive experience in assisting travellers with reduced mobility on its scheduled flights to fly Germany's Paralympians and all their sport and assistive kit to and from Rio. She also highlighted how, of the 1% of passengers on regularly scheduled flights who require assistance, the vast majority are senior citizens who can't walk long distances, rather than people living with long-term disabilities who require further accommodations. In in-flight entertainment news, quite a few airlines aren't planning to show the film Sully, about the miracle in the Hudson water landing. You should definitely see the film though. RGN's Tomas Romero calls it the most rousing, expertly crafted aviation-themed drama he's seen in years. But the Federal Aviation Administration has failed to implement 29 out of the 35 recommendations made after the incident by air crash investigators at the National Transportation Safety Board. Captain Sullenberger himself says that he's disappointed, and Joan Lowy's excellent article for the AP has all the details. That's all for this week. Follow us on Twitter at ThatJohn and at Runway Girl. Keep up to the minute with the PaxEx hashtag, and join us next time for the Runway Girl Network PaxEx Minute.